Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make crock pot cashew chicken. So you need to get your crock pot insert out, spray it with some spray. I'll do that with everything, but you can use liners. The first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put our chicken in. And I'm just going to use 2 breasts. You can use the tenderloins if you prefer. That's fine. Let me wash my hands real quick so I can finish this. Alright. And then the only thing that goes in here while you're cooking the chicken is the chicken, the raw chicken, and sauce. So, and I've got a lot of sauces here that I need to get rid of that's been in the fridge. So, about a cup is how much you need, but I'm going to put in an extra bag of vegetables. And so I'm going to put in just a teeny bit more. I'm just going to go over just a little bit. And as far as the vegetables go, you need to thaw those. Those need to be thawed when you go to put them in this at the end, because we're going to do the vegetables and cook them at the end. Can't stress that enough. And it's supposed to be some frozen sugar snap peas or any veggie of your choice. And I found Walmart's got a, I think I did about 1 cup and 1 1/3 cups of sauce. Walmart has a version of a stir fry that's got sugar snap peas in it, and I'm just going to use that. I wish I could have found just sugar snap peas by themselves, because I would have preferred that, but I couldn't find it. Story of my life. So this is just 2 chicken breasts and a cup, 1 1/3 cups of sauce. Teriyaki is the kind that you need to use. And so we're going to cook that on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4. Now you will add cashews to this. If you want them softened, you need to put that in here now. But if you don't, and I don't, I want mine crunchy, we're going to do it at the end. So we still have a few things to add to this one. Just a few more. I mean, this is an extremely simple recipe and only like 4 ingredients. So we're going to add the other 2 ingredients at the end. And like I said, the directions on cook time: low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4. Okay, I'll see you back here this afternoon. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's the end of the day. And I have already went through and tore the chicken apart for this cashew chicken. And I just able to stick my meat chopper in there and chop it up. Or you can use just like pork or anything, just put it back. This is the stir fry that I'm going to use. I wanted, like I said, to do just sugar snap peas, but as always, couldn't find them. So what you're going to do is you're going to let these thaw completely. And they've been sitting out all day. And you're going to add that. And that was a 20-ounce bag. The recipe calls for a 9-ounce bag, but I just put the whole bag in. There's no sense in trying to just use half. You know, it's in a real world. I mean, what are you going to do with the other half? So unless I have a plan, I'm just going to put it all in. Okay, so here it is, a cup of cashews, and you can substitute that if you don't want cashews. You could do water chestnuts or peanuts, but I put cashews in. And I got the sugar snap peas stir fry. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cook this for another 30 minutes. And I'm just going to do it on high real quick. That way it can hurry up and get done. But that's it. And then I'm going to serve this over ice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cook this. And then I'm going to plate it. And then end the video. So I'll be right back after I cook these vegetables for about 30 minutes, okay? I'll see you back here in 30. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. I made some rice and it cooked up just fine. I just turned it on high and let it just, you know, cook and get the vegetables done. Like I said, they need to be completely thawed before you put them in there. And it wouldn't hurt for you to just come by and stir it a little bit during that 30-minute process. But dinner's ready. And it doesn't look bad. It doesn't smell too bad either. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a slow cooker meatloaf, and I've never done this in a crock pot before, so this is like a first for me. But this is real simple. It's got 1, 2, 3, 5 ingredients. So should be pretty easy. Hopefully it tastes good. Alright, I am going to add some onion powder to it because it doesn't have, well, it does have some onion soup mix, but I'm going to add just a little bit more seasoning. Okay, so 2 pounds of ground beef. You're going to need 1 large egg. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and add our onion soup mix, which is going to give us a lot of flavor. And I'm just going to put a little extra garlic, onion powder, and I'm going to put some pepper in it too. And so this would be the time that you do that, is when you're putting the egg in and mixing everything together. Okay. Okay, so we're going to mix this by hand. Usually I do it with gloved hands, but I forgot to grab those. So just mix this together. And then as soon as it's mixed together, you need to kind of form it into a loaf. And I'm going to use my crock pot that's the more oblong crock pot. I'm pretty sure you could do it in either one. Real easy and simple. Shouldn't take long at all. Okay. Just want to make sure it's good and mixtured up. Good and combined. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let me move this over. And let me wash my hands real quick. Okay. Alright, I've already sprayed my insert. Make sure you can see. Put this in here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just putting it in a loaf type form. Put that on there. Wash my hands one more time. Okay. And the only thing left to do is to put a can of cream and mushroom soup on top and a can of tomato soup. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add this and add this, and hopefully this is going to taste great. I'd rather have ketchup on mine, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to kind of, a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay. So you're going to cook this for high for 4 hours or low for 8. And I'll see you back here this afternoon when it's all finished and complete. Okay, y'all, so this is the end result. This is the afternoon now, and it completed just perfectly. It cooked perfectly. It cooked all the way through. The only thing is that we weren't crazy about the gravy that it makes. It makes like a tomato type or tomato based gravy. You are welcome to use that and pour that over your meat, but my family would not like that at all. Fine if it's cooked in it, but didn't want any extra. So I made some homemade mashed potatoes to go with it and some green peas to go with it. and that'll be dinner tonight. Really simple and easy though. Actually came together a lot easier than my normal meatloaf that I make all the time. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.